Okay, good morning everybody, to all our friends at home, to everybody here at school. So as you know, for the last few days we've been working on multiplying by multiples of 10. And you know what that means? That means doing things like 3 times 7, okay? We learned that that's really not any harder than a basic math fact. Instead of multiplying 3 times 7 ones, you're multiplying 3 times 7 tens. So you just add a 0 to your math fact. So I look at this, the math fact I see everybody is 3 times 7. And I say to myself, 3 times 7 is 21. You can get that a couple different ways. You can go 7, 14, 21. Maybe you have it memorized, that would be even better. Or you can count by 3, 7 times. But then it's not just 21, it's 21 tens. And you know 21 tens is written as 210. So the easy way to look at it is, here's my hidden fact, 3 times 7 equals 21. Add a 0 because I'm multiplying by, okay? So let's just do a couple of these on our whiteboards. And I'm going to give you an exit ticket for this skill. So you're not going to be taking an end of module assessment. I'm going to give you 2 different exit tickets for the last half of the module because that will give me a good idea how to score your report card. And that will give me a good idea of how well you know these last few skills we covered since our mid-module assessment. All right? So let's practice a couple more of these and then I'll go over the exit ticket you're going to be expected to do. Okay? So let's do this one. How about 40 times 6? Go ahead and write that on your board. 40 times 6. I think it's really good if you get in the habit of underlining that hidden fact. That's a great idea, boys and girls. Got it. So friends at home, you can get a piece of paper and practice this with us. Good, Ellie. Very good, Madison. You need a 0, Kendall. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Very good. 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 So what was my hidden fact in this one? Everybody say it for me. 4 times 6. Remember, I don't want you to say 4 and 6. Because you say 4 and 6, you know what I think? 4 and 6 is 10. When I say 4 times 6, I think 4 groups of 6, and that is 24. We add a 0 because we're not just multiplying 4 times 6, we're multiplying 4 tens times 6, which is really 24 tens, which is really. Okay, let's do one more practice. How are we feeling about this so far? Fist to 5, just this basic skill. How do you feel? Fist to 5. All right, here's another one. How about 80 times 5? Okay, very good. I see a lot of 80 times 5 equals class 400. Because 8 times 5 is 40. And I add a 0, which is 400. Okay? So part of your exit ticket is going to be just 3 of these basic equations where you're multiplying by a multiple of 10. But part of your exit ticket is also going to be a 1-step word problem where you multiply by multiples of 10. And then a 2-step word problem where you multiply by multiples of 10. And I've gone over and over with you about how 2-step word problems are probably one of the most challenging things a 3rd grader has to do in all of the math throughout the year. So before we do our exit ticket, we're going to do one more 2-step word problem in your workbook. So if you would open up your workbook to page, I think it's 121. It is lesson 21, and it is the exit ticket. So friends at home, I'm going to post this exit ticket for you. I would suggest you do it on your own. I'm going to let the kids in school do it on their own. And then we're going to come back together and share some solutions, okay? So it's page what? 112? Okay, so I guess it's page 112. My class did really well with this. Okay, so this is our last one for you guys. I'll let you work together. Okay? Or no, I guess I want you to do it independently, but then you can compare it. So come, will you come up and erase the board for me? I'm kind of screaming because I want to make sure our friends at home can hear me. All right, it says use the read write process to solve, use a letter to represent the unknown. Frederick buys a can of 3 tennis balls. Can you picture that? You know what a can of tennis balls looks like? It looks like a Pringles can, doesn't it? They come in a long cylinder. It looks like a Pringles can that's got 3 tennis balls in it. The empty can weighs 20 grams, and each tennis ball weighs 60 grams. What is the total weight of the can with 3 tennis balls? So let's underline our notes, and then I'm going to let you work at it on your own. It is a 2-step problem. They do want you to use a letter for the unknown, okay? So what do we know? He buys a can of 3 tennis balls. Could you draw that? Absolutely. The empty can weighs 20 grams. Each tennis ball weighs 60 grams. What is the total weight of the 3 can, or the can with the 3 tennis balls? So boys and girls at home, I'm going to pause the video, give you time to work on this, and I'm posting, and then we'll come back and we'll go over the solution together, okay?